streets.
Alright, I am Damian Wright, aka Mousey, from St. James, Montego Bay. I'm driving a 1993 Mitsubishi Evolution 1. Alright, I started racing professionally 2014. Professionally, 2014. There was this guy called Brem, in which he had a little fluke win at King Ashore, right? And you know, I had some issues with the car. My boost was flew off, and he ran through the race. I didn't get to go through, so he has been running off his beak since of lately, but I'm ready for him. I'll tell him to come 7th of July. Alright, my most memorable moment would be winning my first trophy, which was last year. The last event at Kenty. Drag was at 4? Yeah. Best moment so far. First trophy.
We will come back out next year and put forward to a win or prize money to get into the 12th class.
Well, this is a built engine, 2.3 stroker, I-beam rods, Wisico pistons. I'm using a Barguana S300 turbo, 1250cc injectors. This car is currently run on ethanol. Dual inline pumps, you know, everything that you think should be in the car is in the car. I'm also using a stock Ever 9 ECU. Alright, the biggest challenge I've ever faced, which is what I always been facing, is running out of time. You know, time is of the essence when it comes to drugs. You know, you will be good this minute and then in the last moment you always have some issues, so you know, it is always good to prepare from before. My best quarter mile time would be a 12.0 at Vernon Field, 2017. Best quarter mile time. Well, going forward, once I get to reach to all events, that trophy is mine. Whichever class the car enters in, I will win that trophy. And the prize money, don't forget that. Why? I go all out. I go all out. Anybody come, dead. So, I'm not going to call no specific car. Any car I line up with, I hit that. You understand? Yeah. Alright, I want to pick up all of the Montego Bay racers. Everybody from a Bay race, I big them up. Because without them, you know, having some influence in me, it wouldn't be possible. Big up my kids, them. My tuner Banks, my other tuner got, good friend Dalton, Mad Dog, Thompson, Waggy, Virgo, Soupy, Monty, everybody from my baby. I'm not going to remember all I need them now, but everybody. Big up on yourself. I call out now. Van, Van. Put it on the line, July 7th. Cut your throat. Big bad and serious.
Anytime I'm ready, we're ready.
Brem. And the king himself, the alleged king, just the last 11 seconds winner, that time, they're going to meet in the finals.
Just come 11s.
Preliminary stages, we did a little unders them and the other rest. You understand? Yeah. Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2. I hear me loud and clear? Loud and clear? Alright. Can you hear me now? Loud and clear? My most memorable. Okay. Alright. I'm driving a Mitsubishi Evo 3. Oh shit. Go again. Alright, we just want everybody to roll out to Drag Rivalries 3 down by Jamwest. Yo. No, I'm interviewing man, you know. Put them so. Yeah. Ready again now? Alright, we want everybody to roll out on the 7th of July down by Jamwest. You know, crazy things. Big up 876 streets and all racers. Mousey go represent.